Welcome, kids, to the Fruits and Vegetables adventure. Today, we'll meet some amazing fruits and vegetables, learn their names, and even how to spell them. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, it's the delicious apple. Hi, everyone! I'm an apple. Did you know I come in red, green, and yellow? Let's spell it together. A P-P-L-E. Great job! Next, here comes our funny friend, the banana. Bananas are the best. I'm yellow and full of energy. Can you spell it with me? B-A-N-A-N-A. Awesome! Look who's digging up some fun. It's the carrot. Hey there! I'm crunchy and good for your eyes. Let's spell it together. C-A-R-R-R-O-T. You got it! And here's the juicy tomato. Hi friends! I make salads taste delicious. Can you spell tomato? T-O-M-A-T. Oh, fantastic! Meet our unique friend, the eggplant. Hello, I'm purple, and I can be used in many yummy dishes. Let's spell eggplant together. E-G-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Super job! Let's welcome the happy pineapple. Yay, I'm sweet and tropical. Who loves pizza with me on top? How do we spell pineapple? P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Excellent work! Last but not least, let's meet the grapes. We're mini and mighty. Did you know we come in green, red, and even black? Let's spell grapes together. G-R-A-P-E-S. Well done! What a fun adventure we had learning about fruits and vegetables today. Remember, eating a variety of them will help you grow strong and healthy. Keep exploring. See you next time for more fun adventures. Bye-bye!